approximately 6:30 p.m. Phew. Here we are down in the basement at 24131 Richdale Park. You can see the water starting to rise up again after we tried to pump it out over the weekend. It's the laundry room. Mechanicals, furnace. It's black area here, and you can see it still goes down. Right now it's relatively dry right here against the wall, but you can still see there's raw sewage here. In the basement. The water itself was very high at one point, probably 3 to 4 inches. And pumped most of that out of here. I should have a respirator mask. I've got a dust mask, but I'm getting out of here. Just want to go and once again video for the record. I think what I may try to do is put some lime down, but this stuff is ruined. So I'm going to go ahead and take the pump out of here, clean it out, give it back to my coworker. Thank you again for allowing me to use it. And this is it. That's it.